SMPL Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. I've been looking at the Simply Good Foods company, 10.4% up. So where the heck are we heading next? Well, man, I've done well over 39,000 videos. You know, I've seen, I mean, almost 40,000 videos. So I've seen what's making me money and what's not. Well, I'm saying this because you don't have to go and spend 5 years and 5 figures on courses and mentors like I did. This is just, when I see this, I pretty much get depressed, and I'm trying to be kind, not nice. But SMPL, bro, it's just so consolidating, bro. It's just... Where are my drawings? Are my drawings here? Nope. Well, yeah, there's the reason why. Because this is just... I mean, yeah. Ideally, I want to see a full candle close above here in order for me to take things up. And if I don't, well, I guess it's not going to be something that I'm going to look to buy, right? It's not just like from one-off thing, but also like a proper shift. But other than that, I'll continue to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. That's free newsletter. Goodbye.